Ash is slow. Ash is slow. Good. Is the silver one an issue?
Yeah, that's cool.
Is it creeping out
Yeah.
or is it stopped? Stopped. Creep now. No, now stop. So do you understand? You're doing it with speed.
Yeah.
Creep now. If there's no one coming. We good?
Yeah.
So people often think that the only way you let people go or work out whether you can go or not is by flashing lights. No, there's no way in the world you should ever do that. You literally just do it off movement.
Yeah.
That was a good little situation there as well. Good, yeah.